Example 3.
2x minus
3y
is equals to 5.
is equal to 5. Next
4x
minus 6y
is equals to 15.
is equal to 50.
15.
15 ఓకే 15 అనాలి 50 అంటే అట్లా 15 అనాలి సరే ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ చూడండి ప్లేస్ ఇన్ ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్ 0 హౌ మచ్ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ టెల్ మీ ఫాస్ట్ 3y is equal to 5 3y is equal to 5 how much it will come అరే ఇది 3 సి ఈ 3 కిందకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది -3 ఉంది is equal to ఎంత y is equal to minus 5/3 5/3 means minus 5 by -3 is equal to 1.2 how much 1.6 next year in the y place put next 2x minus 3y 30 is equal to 5 how much
2.5.
x is equal to 5/2 this 2 will come on this side 2.25 next this is next write down next here see here I place in the place of x put 0 next 6y is equal to 15 y is equal to how much tell me fast 15 by minus 6 is equal to how much
minus 2.5.
minus 2.5 next see 4x y plus 0 is equal to 15 is equal to how much x is equal to 15/4 15/4 is equal to how much 3.7 now make the tables here table make it fast next make it first table tell me x y x 0 is equal to y how much
minus 1.6.
minus 1.6 minus 1.6 next year
2.5.
2.5 means here y is equal to 0 here also another table do table and do it fast here tell me fast
xy
xy x how much x 0 is equal to y how much
minus 2.5.
-2.5 here y 0 is equal to x how much 3.27 now draw the graph as fast as you can do x axis this is x axis this side plus this side draw it fast here plus x here minus x this side infinite minus infinite this means minus y plus y this side minus y then draw it 1 2 3 4 5 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 here also minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 here also 1 2 3 4 what is the x where is x 0 see it 0 is here x 0 is equal to 0 2.5 y 2.5 plus side that is here 2.5 next y minus 1.6 1.6 means here 1.6
2.5 rather x axis
అరే 0 1.6 కదా
minus 1.6 కిందకి
కిందకి వచ్చింది minus 1.6 minus 1.6. This is 1.6. Here x 2.5. 2.5 means ఇది ఇయర్ మర్చిపోయి ఇక్కడ ఇది 2.5. 2.5 x zeros. This is right go fast. Sir, okay. What is the equation? Tell me equation. Tell me fast equation. Equation tell me. 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. Don't have 5 next. This tell me. x0 y minus 2.5. Here this is minus 2.5. Then 3.7. 1, 2, 3. Approximately here 3.7. What will it become? What will it become? Parallel lines. It doesn't meet anywhere. This is okay. Tell me formula. Tell me 4x minus 6y is equal to 15. This is the what is the scale? What is scale? Scale. 1 cm is equal to 1 unit. 1 unit. Here can conclusion? Tell me conclusion. What is this? Consistent or
Inconsistent.
Inconsistent. Observe this. This is consistent. Both are consistent. Third one is inconsistent. What is this? Parallel lines. First parallel lines. No solutions. No solution. Inconsistent. Dependent or independent? Tell me dependent or independent? Right, tell me dependent or independent? See, dependent or here this is independent, this is dependent, this is. Tell me fast.
156.
This is డిపెండెంట్ అది ఈ రెండింటికే ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ ఇదేంటి నీళ్ళు ఏం రాయద్దు. ఓకే స్టాప్ ఇట్. స్టాప్.